Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today is Sunday. We have no newspaper. And Saturday, March 19th, 2022, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the edition of March 1st, 2022. All right. So here we have four puzzles left: the 1 star, the 2 stars, the tectonic, and the binary are left for today. Four puzzles, and this one, let me see, this one will be number 4284. Yeah, 4284. 4284. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 1 star has always 27 printed digits. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Correct. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Okay. Let me start with the 8. Yes, the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here, an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see in this big square. Here, 4 missing numbers. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes, so the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column. 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Oh, alright. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait for more information. How about the number? Ooh, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Yeah. Oh, right. I cannot continue with the 4 now. I continue with the other digit. How about this box? 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay. 7. Then how about 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. All right. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me wait for filling those numbers. It's not in one big square. Okay, 3 and a 9. How about these 3 boxes in this big square? 3 and a 9 and 1, 2. The 6 is missing here also. Yeah, 6 is missing. But these 2, 1, 2, 3, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here. Yes, these 2 numbers, missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now these, wait. Yeah, these 2 boxes, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes, and there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those numbers. About these 2 numbers in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay. Uh-huh. 5, 5. 4, 3 is also missing. Okay. Two missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row be 3 in the second row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 5. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Okay, and we have a pair. 3 and a 7 in the third column. 3 and a 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. So, what are the other 2 numbers? In the first column, those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Here we have 3 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a... No. We have a 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Yes. I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those for more than 5 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Well, we have here the 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, and 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1. So here we have a pair with the 4s and the 8s. 3, 9, 5, 1. Yeah, 2 pairs. All right, thank you. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.